So design for Mars, training a new generation of designers is very important because it takes completely different thinking. It's not like designing for Earth. Mars has 3/8 gravity, so we have gravity, but it's fantastic. You only weigh a third of, so we can't live on Mars. You have to bring your entire life support system with you.
Nosotros decidimos ponerle a este workshop el nombre Coreografías Marcianas, pensando un poco en cómo se va a vivir y se va a desarrollar la relación social entre la comunidad que se establezca o los primeros pobladores de Marte.
Ponerse en situación es lo primero que un diseñador tiene que hacer para poder entender qué es lo que le está pasando a otro.
You're very far away from Earth. Jim Lovell has a famous saying when he's an Apollo astronaut and from Apollo 13, and when he looked at the moon, he put his thumb up and his thumb covered the Earth. He was very emotional because he said, everyone I know, everyone I love, my entire world now fits within my thumbnail. That's Earth. So Mars is much, much further. So when we get to Mars, you can no longer see Earth. It just looks like a star.